What is CBT therapy? Cognitive behavioral therapy, also known as CBT, is a form of psychological treatment that aims to improve your mental health. This short-term time therapy can help you to find new ways on how to conduct yourself by changing disturbing or destructive thought patterns that have a negative influence on your emotions and behavior. CBT therapy is particularly important for people who are dealing with issues such as depression, eating disorders, alcohol and drug-related problems, marital problems, and anxiety disorders. It focuses on changing negative thoughts that can lead to emotional problems, anxiety, and depression, which have a negative influence on your mood. Through this therapy, negative thoughts are identified and replaced with those that are positive, more realistic, and objective. Types of CBT therapy. Cognitive therapy. This type of therapy focuses on identifying and changing thinking patterns, behaviors, and emotional responses that are distorted or inaccurate. Rational Emotive Behavior Therapy, REBT. REBT focuses on identifying unreasonable beliefs and helps the patient learn how to recognize and change such thoughts quickly. Dialectical Behaviors Therapy, DBT. This type of therapy also identifies negative thoughts and behaviors. However, it also helps the patient learn how to control their emotions. Multimodal Therapy. This therapy addresses several different but interconnected psychological issues. They include sensation behavior, imagery, affect, cognition, drug, biological, and interpersonal factors. Benefits of CBT therapy. 1. It helps to counter depression. Because cognitive behavioral therapy helps to counter depression by dealing with your negative thoughts, this therapy is very effective because it deals with the root cause of the problem and thus gives a long-lasting solution. This therapy focuses on identifying the triggers of depression and anxiety, counters them, and replaces them with positive thoughts. 2. It helps to reduce anxiety. Cognitive behavioral therapy is one of the most effective therapy options for treating anxiety. CBT therapy will treat many types of anxiety, including phobias, social anxiety, and panic disorder. CBT therapy deals with anxiety by allowing you to face your fears rather than avoiding them. With the help of a trusted therapist, this allows you to learn how to slowly manage and reduce your fears until you finally overcome them. 3. It can treat obsessive-compulsive disorder, OCD. CBT therapy is a widely used treatment for people who are suffering from OCD. CBT therapy helps to identify things that are making you have those unwanted intrusive thoughts. This therapy helps you to learn how to respond differently to OCD, so that this disorder does not continue to negatively affect your life. 4. It helps to treat many eating disorders. CBT therapy is widely used to treat different types of eating disorders, including bulimia and binge eating disorders. 5. It helps to boost your self-esteem. CBT therapy plays a critical role in boosting your self-esteem, particularly if you have been suffering from a mental health condition. It helps to change negative thoughts and patterns that have lowered your self-esteem and confidence. CBT therapy will help you to understand how your thoughts work and how to take full control of them. This changes the way you view yourself and enables you to develop more confidence in your abilities. 6. It helps you develop a more balanced thought process. One of the main benefits of CBT therapy is that it helps you to develop a more rational thought process. This therapy helps you gain full control of your thought process by addressing cognitive distortions. It transforms your thought process and replaces negative thoughts with positive ones. CBT therapy also helps you to think rationally and come up with a great solution to difficult situations that you may not normally respond well to. 7. It helps to enhance your communication skills. Most people suffering from mental illnesses such as depression, anxiety, and social anxiety usually shy away from expressing themselves. CBT therapy helps to enhance your communication skills, thus allowing you to express yourself better and share your thoughts without feeling ashamed or becoming angry. 8. It helps to prevent relapse. Many patients suffering from mental disorders can easily relapse if they don't get a strong support system and effective therapy. CBT therapy gives patients recovering from mental disorders all the necessary tools needed to prevent relapse. It helps them to learn how to identify the root cause of their problems and how to cope with any challenges that they may come across. This therapy also helps you to quickly identify the main negative thought patterns that you need to avoid to prevent relapse. 9. It helps to reduce the symptoms of schizophrenia. Schizophrenia is a serious mental disorder where people interpret reality abnormally. People suffering from this mental disorder often suffer from hallucinations and delusions. CBT therapy can help to reduce the symptoms of this mental disorder, thus allowing the patient to live a more normal and healthy life. However, CBT therapy is most effective in treating schizophrenia if detected early. What are your thoughts on CBT? Do you find it effective? Share your story with us in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to hit the like button, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Spread the love and send this video to at least 2 friends or your favorite group chat. Sharing is caring after all. Be sure to hit the bell icon to stay up to date with our latest videos. Remember to be polite to yourself first, so you can be polite to others. Take care of yourself. Until next time.